जर तो सांगता ते खरें आसत जाल्यार ताका आयजूच सस्पेंड कर. आयच्या आयज सांजचे पर्यंत सस्पेंड ऑर्डर
ताकाय खबर आहा.
काट सस्पेंड
ताका
ऑर्डर.
फूल आहा
हांवें
म्हणटा
सांगलें
ताका
ताका हांवें इन्क्वायरी करपाक लायल्या आयजूच आनी आयज सांजचे पर्यंत ताका जर खरें आसत ताका सस्पेंड कर म्हणून सांगलो.
आज बिरास्तार आज ड्राय डे आसा.
Kumdad Margaon, due to the paralysis in functioning of the office of the administrator of Kumdad of South Zone, Margaon, due to alleged habitual absentees of the incumbent administrator leading to lack of supervision of staff and significant delays in office procedures and neglect in disposal of files relating to illegal construction. Thus, demolition orders are inordinately delayed. In particular, the demolition orders was not forwarded to demolition squad for demolition of illegal structure at Mungul Margaon under Margaon Kumdad. The steps the government to resolve the matter. The steps of the government.
Speaker, sir, I will instruct my Collector South to immediately visit the office of the Administrator of Kumdad South and take immediate steps to resolve the issue. If need be, we will ensure that the officer is immediately replaced.
Speaker, sir, हे problem officer replace कोण आणि हे problem तशें जायना हे. Speaker, sir, the problem here is ministeran एक meeting गेली थोडे म्हूण पयले आनी कुमदादी सगळे मेंबर येयल्ले आनी कन्वेन्शन येयल्लें. हे स्टाफ लेवला मॅटर न्हू हो टॉप मिनिस्टर लेवल टॉपिक हो. After that meeting, after that convention, what was the follow-up that the office of the minister did in order to ensure implementation of what was discussed in the convention? Or topic comes there first. ओयरसोन कित इनिशिएटिव घेला हे बिस्ते कन्वेन्शन केल्लें हें जोरी तर उंच मेसेज क्लियर वचना द सिरियसनेस ऑफ दीस फंक्शनिंग ऑफ दीस कुमदाद ऑफिस इज नॉट गेटिंग क्लियर. कित्याक ओडील जो आहा सरकार जो आहा तो कुमदादी सपोर्ट कोना मुख करता बिस्ते फॉर शोबाजी. So I want to know first specifically, I need clarification what has been done from there on till now, because the entire functioning of all these offices, I have just pointed out one. I am the president of Karamboli Kumdad and we belong to the central zone. The central zone also is the same, just that aming ponje sodda nahi, but to time our was sodda eskon jata. Speaker sir, it is not about them, it is about the entire system. काळजांतसून कुमदादीक साल्वार करपाक आनी कुमदारी फेवरान फंक्शनिंग जावपा जाय, नॉट जस्ट टू शो. आय रिक्वेस्ट द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर, तेण मिटींग घेयली कन्वेन्शन केलें तेज्या फाटल्यान कांयच जालें ना. बरें हां, आतां कित करतो तो 7 तारीख जाचे पयलीं कित करतलो, पावस काबार जाता म्हळ्यार कित करतलो आनी येते असेंब्ली सेशन जाता पसून तो हे सगळें इम्प्लिमेंटेशन करतलो. आय वॉन्ट दीस एश्युरन्स. येस, दीस फंक्शनिंग हॅज टू बी डन करेक्टली. हे आज कित्याक जायना, बिकॉज तेंगे सॅलरी जी आहा आज म्हाका स्वता हुंय काय तेंकाय भिरांत दिसता की ही जी सॅलरी कुमदाद हारीक वता तें केन्ना भायर मातले कित कोतले. ही सरकारान फूल सॅलरी आपल्याचे घेवपाची गरज आहा. तुमकोन नाही सीएम तुम दिराम घेताय, दिरामाचेर सॅलरी कुमदादींसून हाम हारीक वताय. सो हो दिराम जो आहा कुमदादी उचो आनी तुमी ह्यो सॅलरीज तुमी हारी करच्यो तेन्ना म्हाका स्वता हे स्टाफांक भर येतलो की दॅट वी बिलोंग टू द गव्हर्मेंट. So these are the few points that I would want to clarify. I am not going into more details where substandard ते building जे आहा मोडोन पडपाचें आहा, ते documentation जे आहे ते सारक प्रिजर्व जाल्लें नाय, ते documentation प्रिजर्व करपाचो प्लॅन सारको ना with assuring की work order केन्ना जातली ती. So all these things has to put in place. Primarily, what is the minister going to do before the 7th of August? What is he going to do before the end of monsoon? And what is he going to do before the start of the next assembly session? Yes. With whatever he has given commitments, I want execution answers to be seen here. Secondly, all the 3 Kumdad offices, all the 3 zones, the north zone, the central zone and the south zone,
एक मिनिट
put biometric things.
एक मिनिट सभागृहाचे कामकाज 5 मिनिट वाडयता. उलय
5 मिनिटां जावपा ना.
तुका कितले वेळ जाय, तू कितले वेळ जाय
मुगे उलयन मागीर नेक्स्ट उलयतले सर.
नाही तुका तू कर प्रश्न.
Later, I will answer you.
I'll just finish mine.
Yeah, okay.
Secondly, म्हाका 5 मिनटां पुरो.
ओके.
सेकंडली हें जें आमी डिमॉलिशना लागून मेन्शन केलो स्ट्रक्चर एट मुंगूल, इमिजिएट इन्क्वायरी टू बी डन इन टू दॅट पर्टिक्युलर मॅटर. call up and get this demolished. हें जें उलयताय आमी हिंगा तें जावपा जाय आनी this action we would want to see before the 7th of August, before the assembly session gets over. हे वन थिंग आय थिंक दे शूड बी एन एश्युरन्स एंड एक्शन शूड बी देर आनी मिनिस्टराक डिमांड हुच तो डेट म्हाका खबर ना बट जात जाल्यार ते डिमांडा तेणें सांगपाचें हे कॉलिंग एटेन्शनाचे जे मुंगूल डिमॉलिशन आहा तें डिमॉलिशनाचें तेणें कितें केलें तें डिमांड्स आहा त्या दिसा सांगचें आमकां थँक्यू स्पीकर सर
येस
This issue about South Goa Comunidades applies also for North Goa, but I will talk on South Goa because matters relating to South Goa. The information which I get from the components of South Goa Comunidad to Administrator Naman, and it's a very sad story if you have administrators absent. And administrator apparently is sometimes not in a condition to come. I don't have to spell out what are the reasons, but I think as the minister has said that required replacement will be done, it is better to be done. Code of Comunidades originally ashalo to, there was an appointment from amongst components who was being appointed as administrator. To amendment kela to appoint for a civil service officer to be appointed by the governor. That is what happened where these officers came and got appointed. And now the problem ki jata, tenge salary fari korun
Speaker
rahi.
sir, point of order. Calling attention on the specific officer आणि एकच डेमोलिशन या दोनूच विशयाचेर म्हाका काय ना
I'm
डिमांडाच्या
talking of
या
administrator appointment.
नाही त्याने उलयता आसतना कन्व्हेन्शनाचे तुम्ही कितें करतले आनी कितें हो सगळो विशय केलो
डिमांडार उलोवंक जाताले.
हां
the root cause that's the root cause
नाही
Need to do a root cause analysis
रूट
because
कॉज कॉलिंग अटेन्शनान घालपाचे
root
तशें
cause
आसत
ना
जाल्यार.
ना ना calling attention root cause कितून घातले
तो रूट कॉज त्या
we have to
कोमुदादीचो आसूं
specifically
शकता
solve the matters root cause is
काय
that
सर तो स्पेसिफिक त्या कोमुदादीक तो तिनूय कोमुदादी मिक्स करू नका तशें जाल्यार तूं तिनूय कोमुदादीचेर उलयता मरे तूं तेजेरूच उलय तुका घालपा जाल्यार तुवें तशेंच घालपाचें कॉलिंग अटेन्शन आमी
specific
कितें नाका
आसा.
म्हटलेलें
I'm
We have
speaking
admitted.
specifically.
That's why it is on the specific officers of that central zone, south zone, and regarding the demolition, only on that.
In fact, in my opening, I've stated that there is similar problem in North, but I'm focusing on South. I've said, because the question is relating to South. That's what I'm doing.
येस
So I don't think that point of order is for me.
But for he also, जाल्यार कित्याक ते सगळे तेच उलयत रावतले म्हणून हांवें सांगलें.
South
But I think Honorable Chief Minister should look at the broader picture. Even what he may have said is something relating to all Goa. But I think that broader picture also may be looked at. Kitya jana,
Ask at the demand.
Demand is there on Tuesday.
we'll do that. In a demand, we'll bring that up.
next week
See, so my suggestion is that we need a full-time officer. A part-time ki jata to ye na, pao na. Then he has got hearings. In his capacity, what he's doing, he has to do his work. When he comes here, he can't attend to work. Then notices come, court compliances come. He himself has to take up matters. Zaina, and then if he doesn't take prompt action, situation becomes irreversible for us. Because you have these constructions coming up, they're becoming paka, and afterwards people come crying to us by saying that God modong aile, and if you stop them in the beginning, I think immediate action is taken, that will happen. Even a replacement, Honorable Speaker, ek lakh kadlo, dusra gailo, I don't have a problem of that. But what about clearing of the files which are pending for so many years? I think some direction I think the government should give. Whoever is appointed new, and that should be done, definitely appointment of a new person, incumbent, but make sure that he dedicates at least 3 days of a week, if you are keeping him, holding additional charge, at least 3 days of a week, he should be available in the Comunidad Administration Office, because otherwise the administration officer and low kahate staff, they care kurnat. What they want, they do. It's like a kingdom by themselves. And they don't, when the administrator comes, they hide it from him. And then they run riot in that office. So they are the ones who actually control that office. They do what they want, and everything works under the carpet over there. So my request is that first is replace that administrator. Number 2 is make sure that...
एक मिनिट सभागृहाचे कामकाज 10 मिनिटांनी वाढायचं
5 मिनिटं पुरो 5 मिनिटं
5 नाही 5 तो असं नाही तू उलय तू
Bye. Second point is a time frame for him to make a list of the files, submit to you, and a time frame to complete also the staff ahate demarcate what are their areas. It should not be happening like this, where the Comunidad components come there, managing committee members, and they have to only run in circles.
आता मंत्र्यान सांगला त्या भशेन हे इश्यूज तुम्ही डिमांड्साक घेयात म्हणून पूण म्हाका दिसता जे आमी कॉलिंग एटेन्शन मूव केलां I agree with the minister that the issue all centers around the administrator. आणि तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटराक एडिशनल चार्ज आहा ताका ताजे स्टाफाचेर कंट्रोल ना आनी दोतोर काल्लुसान सांगला ते भशेन तो केन्ना केन्ना कंडिशनानूय नासता कंडिशनान नासता म्हणल्यार तो सारको हाजेर आसता तो फूल आसता सारको तो सारको फूल आसता फामाद तो फूल आहा म्हणून स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता मंत्र्यान फर्स्ट म्हणटा तें ताका रिप्लेसमेंट हांगाच आतां एनावन्स करप हें गरजेचें. दुसरें स्पीकर सर ताजे खातीर खूब इश्यूज आहात ते इश्यूज जर उलयतलो जाल्यार ते आनी खंय पावतले ते आमी मागीर तुजे रेव्हेन्यू डिमांड्साचेर उलोवया. पूण इतलोच आय थिंक द फर्स्ट स्टेप टुडे विथ दीस कॉलिंग अटेंशन ही कॅन डू इज टू रिप्लेस द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर रायट नाव अँड डिक्लेअर इट. थँक्यू स्पीकर सर.
श्री विरेश बोरकर.
स्पीकर सर, रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंटाचो खुबशे आमी पळयता की चडशे कडेन जी डेमोलिशन ऑर्डर आसतना पासून ते डेमोलिशन करिना. सेम हो मॅटर सेम आसा मंगूल मारगांव. आतां डिपार्टमेंट कित्याक फंक्शन आतां रिप्लायन फक्त दिला तेंच्यांनी की त्या ऑफिसराक ट्रान्सफर करतले म्हणून ताका दुसरे कडेन इमिजिएट ट्रान्सफर करतले पण अजून पर्यंत कित्याक जावना. आतां स्पीकर सर हांव तुमकां एक सांगूंक सोदता
स्पीकर सर हांव ताका सांगला इन्क्वायरी कर आनी जर तो सांगता ते खरें आसत जाल्यार ताका आयजूच सस्पेंड कर. आयच्या आयज सांजचे पर्यंत सस्पेंड ऑर्डर
तो ताकाय खबर आहा
काट सस्पेंड
ताका फूल आहा
हांवें सांगलें ताका हांवें इन्क्वायरी करपाक लायल्या आयजूच आनी आयज सांजचे पर्यंत ताका जर खरें आसत ताका सस्पेंड कर म्हणून सांगलो.
आज बिरेस्तार आज ड्राय डे आसात आज बिरेस्तार
मागीर तो फाल्यां चॅक करचो पडटलो अल्कोमिटर घालून.
ना सगळे बिरेस्तार करना सगळे बिरेस्तार
चॅक कर आनी सस्पेंड कर ताका आयजूच. चल
He's from other department also.
सस्पेंड कर ताका.
विरेश बोरकर.
No, other,
Suspend kar.
no, he
Please,
has got
Gurkar.
other department also basically.
Continue karat.
This is just actually additional charge what he has got.
थंय सस्पेंड कर रे
So
ताका.
now henceforth whatever we do, we will have the administrator with full charge. So there will be no additional charge given to him.
आनी कर ताका